Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. Best for business. Windows XP Professional shines as a business operating system. Get more work done faster, easier, anytime, anywhere. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet. The connected home and office. Get connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers. See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. To begin the tour, click any selection. With Windows XP, you get the proven dependability of Microsoft Windows 2000, enhanced for high-speed performance and even greater reliability. Robust, reliable, compatible. Windows XP Professional marks a new standard in business software, combining enterprise-class performance and reliability with unprecedented ease of use. Built on the rock-solid foundation of Microsoft's proven Windows 2000 technology, Windows XP Professional contains all the features of Windows XP Home Edition and includes new and enhanced features designed especially for business and advanced use. Startup time is faster, and your business programs will run better than ever before. See more of your work at one time by stretching it across several monitors, or view two different programs simultaneously on computers equipped with a dual interface display adapter. With Microsoft ClearType technology, screen contents are easier to read, especially on laptops. Windows XP Professional is world-ready with multi-language support. Select among 24 languages. Really useful if your company spans the globe, with multilingual employees who use different languages but share the same computers. Use a laptop? Windows XP's enhanced power management features stretch battery life, and with laptops and other PCs, you get better control over how your computer uses power. On the road and around the world. Read email, view files, run programs on your office computer from anywhere in the world. Windows XP Professional's advanced communication features put you in command of the latest mobile computing and cutting-edge wireless technologies. Use Remote Desktop to view the screen of a computer running Windows XP Professional over the Internet from any other computer running Windows XP. That means you can go to the office from your laptop, your home computer, or from a client's office on the other side of the globe. It's like being in two places at once. And wireless? Windows XP's secure wireless connections let you communicate and collaborate in real time, at the same moment things are happening, using voice, video, and instant messaging. There's no wasting time trying to hook up. You're automatically notified whenever another Windows XP-equipped wireless device is in range. Windows XP Professional allows up to 10 Internet or other file-sharing connections simultaneously. Network bridging allows communicating over wireless, Ethernet, and home phone lines all at the same time. With Windows XP Professional, going mobile means no hassles. You're always connected. More secure, easier to manage. Windows XP Professional features a secure file system with encryption for sensitive information. Security-related administrative settings assure your system remains safe, secure, and private. Windows XP Professional is also designed for easy management. An enhanced backup utility, improved for easier use, makes it simple to regularly copy data onto magnetic tape, zip disks, and other storage media. Windows XP Professional can be deployed throughout your organization incrementally. Upgrading individual computers only as needed reduces costs and lets you take advantage of Windows XP's new technology at your own pace. Business computers linked via Windows 2000 server software are a cinch to upgrade and manage using remote installation services and group policies. These features let you install, configure, and manage individual computers as groups rather than single machines, and monitor them from a centralized location at great savings in time and support costs. Windows XP makes personal computing easy and enjoyable. Power, performance, a bright new look, and plenty of help when you need it. It's all here, along with unmatched dependability and security. Faster, smarter, safer. Windows XP packs the punch you need for top performance and enjoyment. You get all the power and dependability of Microsoft's most advanced operating system technology. And to ensure your version of Windows XP is always the very latest, automatic updates are available at your command from the Microsoft website. Windows XP delivers greater dependability and increased efficiency. Windows XP works harder so you can work smarter. Easier to learn and use. Windows XP brings a brand new visual style to your computer, friendly, fresh, and streamlined. Cleaner lines, richer colors, smarter organization, easier ways to get where you want to go and do what you want to do. The simplified Start menu automatically puts your most frequently used programs in plain view, never more than one click away. The updated Taskbar organizes files on the fly. An automatic cleanup wizard keeps everything on the desktop neat and tidy. Better help for every task. Windows XP's all-new Help and Support Center is your one-stop shop for clear how-to instructions, engaging start-to-finish articles, troubleshooting advice, free product updates, and more. Find out everything you want to know about Windows XP and your computer. Should you ever need it, you can allow a support professional or a knowledgeable friend to view your screen and fix a problem for you. Special wizards give you instructions to smooth the way when connecting new devices and running new software. Delete an important file? Download a program you wish you hadn't? Use Windows XP's improved System Restore to turn back the clock and restore your system to the way it was before. Unlock the exciting world of digital media at home, at work, and on the internet. Photography, music, videos, computer games, and more. Built-in photo sharing and organization. With Windows XP, viewing photos and sharing them with friends, family, and colleagues couldn't be easier. Just plug in your digital camera and your photos appear instantly, ready for you to edit, email, or print. You can even publish images directly to a website or save them on CD. Or send them to an online retailer for professional quality prints. Playing music, video, and CDs. Like listening to music and watching videos? Windows XP includes Windows Media Player, so it's a cinch to tune in internet radio, download music or movies from the web, and watch streaming and video broadcasts. Of course, you can also play your own CDs. Windows Media Player makes it easy to create your own customizable jukebox. Just copy your personal CDs onto your computer or download music from the internet. Arrange selections in any order you'd want. Store the playlist and the computer will play your selections back, one after another in any order you choose, anytime you like. You can even make your own CDs. optimized for games and DVDs. The latest DirectX technology gives you the enhanced power, performance, and reliability that makes Windows XP great for playing computer games. Networking and internet features let you challenge competitors across the hall or across the globe. Enjoy watching DVDs too. The next time you and your laptop share an airplane trip, why not take along one or two of your favorites to watch instead of the in-flight movie? Share files, photos, music, even a printer and internet connection, all on a network that's private and secure. Multiple users, a cinch to switch. With Windows XP, it's easier than ever to share a single computer among several users. Each person using the computer can create a separate password-protected account with personalized settings and private files. Multiple accounts can be live on the computer at the same time. Switching back and forth is fast and simple. If someone wants to check email while you're working, they simply switch over to their account. There's no need for you to close your programs and log off. The other user won't see your files while they're working, and when you switch back, you won't see theirs. You'll find the screen exactly as you left it. Networks, powerful and practical. Is there more than one computer in your home or office? Connecting them into a network boosts the abilities of every computer on the system. Make team efforts out of big projects like creating reports and spreadsheets. Free up space on smaller computers. Centralize large files like photos and music on one computer where they can be shared by everyone, even at the same time. Play multiplayer computer games on a whole new level with each player on a separate computer. Save money by sharing hardware. Network computers can share the same printer, scanner, fax, even the same internet connection. Family members can surf the web at the same time from different computers, all on the same phone line or other service. Let the wizard do the work. You don't need to be an expert. A wizard steps you through the entire process of setting up a network for your home or small business. Simply answer a few questions about the computers you wish to link, and the wizard does the rest. Once your network is up and running, Windows XP stays on the job, tracking changes and making adjustments automatically, so you'll always get the best performance with the least effort. Data protection, inside and out. Windows XP contains powerful new features designed to keep your computer network running no matter what. Sophisticated protection software guards each computer's operating system. It also establishes a protective barrier, or firewall, that shields the entire network from outside hackers and viruses spread over the Internet. Friendly new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover Windows XP's fresh, streamlined design. Get acquainted with key tasks and basic commands. The Windows Desktop. Using Windows XP is simple. First, you'll see the large colored area on the screen called the desktop, and the narrow band at the bottom called the taskbar. Everything you can do on your computer appears inside frames that are called windows. You can open as many windows at one time as you like and resize them, move them around, or restack them in any order. Icons. The small pictures you see on the desktop are called icons. Think of them as doorways to the files and programs stored on your computer. Place your mouse over an icon. Text appears identifying its name or contents. To open the file or program, double-click the icon. shortcut icons, identified by the small arrow on the lower left, let you access programs, files, folders, disk drives, web pages, printers, even other computers. And because desktop shortcuts simply supply links to those files or devices, you can add and delete their icons without affecting the actual programs or files. The first time you start Windows XP, you'll see only one icon, the Recycle bin, where you can send files you wish to delete from your computer. Taskbar. Every time you open a window, a button representing it appears on the taskbar, and it disappears when you close a window. The taskbar also contains the Start button and Notification area, where you'll see the clock. Other buttons can appear temporarily, showing the status of ongoing activities. For instance, the Printer button appears when you send a file to the printer and disappears when printing is complete. You'll also be reminded here when new Windows updates are available to download from the Microsoft website. Windows XP keeps the taskbar tidy by consolidating buttons when too many accumulate. For example, buttons representing individual emails are automatically grouped under a single email button. Clicking the button lets you select an email from a convenient menu. Start menu. The Start menu appeared automatically the first time you ran Windows XP. You can return to the Start menu anytime by clicking the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu contains everything you need to begin using Windows. You can start programs, open files, customize your system, get help, search for items on your computer, and more. Some commands on the Start menu have a right-facing arrow. That means additional choices are available on a secondary menu. Place your pointer over an item with an arrow and another menu appears. The left side of the Start menu updates with links to the programs you use most frequently. At the top left are fixed items, shortcuts to things like your internet browser and email program. Files and folders. Your computer is like a desk with file drawers. Each piece of work or file can be stored in a folder. Windows XP makes it easy to store files where they make the most sense. Place text, image, and music files in the folders titled My Documents, My Pictures, and My Music. They also offer convenient links to the tasks you'll perform most often. Windows. Windows display the contents of files and programs. Working with Windows is easy when you know the basics. The name of the window appears at the top in its title bar. Minimize a window to shrink it to a button on the taskbar. Maximize a window to fill the screen, or restore it to its original size. Inside a window, browse the menus to see the different commands and tools you can use. When you find the command you want, just click it. If a program needs some information from you before it can complete a command, a dialog box appears. To enter information, you might click and type, select a choice in a list, choose just one option, or check off one or more options that you want. If the contents of your file don't fit in the window in one glance, simply scroll the window to move the contents up, down, or sideways, or drag the contents into view. Control panel. Customizing your computer settings is simple with the Windows XP control panel. Just open it from the Start menu. Here's where you can change the way Windows XP looks and acts, add and remove programs or hardware devices, set up network connections, user accounts, and more. Ending your session. When you want to interrupt your Windows session and let someone else use the computer, go to the Start menu. That's where you can log off and switch users, and Windows XP will be ready to welcome a different user. When everyone's finished, you can turn off the computer. The next time you log on, the welcome screen will be the first you'll see. Just click your name, type your password if you have one, and you'll be back at the Windows desktop.